Hi, I'm Micah Hendler.
And I am Amir Abu Arqub.
And we're the leaders of the Jerusalem Youth Chorus, a Palestinian and Israeli music and dialogue project, raising our voices to push back against the violence surrounding us.
We reject war, occupation, and terror. And instead, we decided to sing for peace, justice, inclusion, and equality. At the Jerusalem Youth Chorus, we don't share the same opinions. And we disagree and have hard conversations about them every week. But what we do share is a shared future, despite what all politicians say.
I founded the Jerusalem Youth Chorus 12 years ago because of a simple fact, that we as human beings are hardwired to trust one another more when we sing together. Thank you. Singing, actually, in groups creates a container in which transformative conversations can happen, very hard conversations, even between people who have been raised to be enemies. And then, through music, we're able to expand the impact of these encounters as our singers' voices, raised together, become a force for systemic change as music has powered social movements throughout history.
I joined the choir 10 years ago, and it is where I found my voice as a musician, as a Palestinian, and as Amir. And last year, I was so proud to step into the executive director role with a vision to create a youth singing movement to help youth find their voices across Israel-Palestine as I found mine. The Jerusalem Youth Chorus singers didn't stop meeting during the war because JYC, it's our home, and we're not gonna give up on each other.
The song that we'll be sharing with you all today was written by our singers after October 7th. And it really taps into the grief and the pain and the loss, and also the deep insight and powerful resilience that they have found in this time.
This violence didn't start on October 7th. This violence and the last war is just a very horrifying example of how Israelis and Palestinians are pitted against each other by the extreme leaders who need each other to stay in power. And it's always the normal people who pay the price.
We know that as a Palestinian-Israeli youth chorus, we do not single-handedly have the power to stop war. But we also know that the reason that war continues is because people feel there isn't a different way. We are the different way.
زيتون بتدمع زيت للجميع بلا تخوين بلا قطيع والأرض بالسيف وبالشديد تحملني وذنوبي وحسناتي عيلتي وحارتي نشرة أخبار ولسه بتحكي باسم الزار They say it's do or die שפעם היית גן, ובוכה על כל אלה שאינם. הילדה הכי יפה בגן, בשערה עוד ריח עשן. But we will see the dawn, this darkness can't go on. But when the day is done, what will be left behind? Only you and me with our futures intertwined. We live within the wars, we feel each other's pain. Because of you I know we must choose a different way. We must choose a different way. And when the day is done, what will be left behind? Only you and me with our futures